Guys, magandang hapon. So, time check muna tayo. Today is May 16. Ito yan. Guys, so, nanggaling na kami ng Walmart. No, Andrew, no? May namili kami ng ibang mga gulay. Tapos nakalimutan ko, naubos na pala yung table napkins namin. So, dadaan Dalarama. Bibili lang kami ng table napkins. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Mashe New One. Ano bang na kinuha? Hindi ako ng tawag dito, bayabas, lemon, sampalok. We'll get some fish siguro. Isda. Masarap kaya to. Try kaya natin to. Try natin tong turones. Oh. Let's see. Ayan. Ito yung Asian store na malapit sa Dalarama. I figured na dumaan na rin dito sin gusto kong bumili ng isda. Ayan, may mga gamit sila sa bahay. Parang maganda to kaya lang. Ito maganda sa oil. No? Kaya meron ako nabili niyan nung napunta ako ng Japan. Kailangan mailagay. O yan. Mag-aano pa pala ako ng munggo. Gigisa ng munggo. Tara tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng ilagay dito. Oh.
What you doing? Are you buying chicken?
Ayun, kumakagusto
What are you
ko
gonna
ng
make?
isda.
Are you gonna make chicken like with the buffalo?
Did you see? What chicken did I get? Is it chicken wings?
I mean, there is some chicken like.
What ang isda? Wala, doon ang daing tao doon sa So, masarap kainin. Ito na lang siguro. Ito.
Yeah, I'll show them the fish.
Ito na ako na. Yan. Naka-special
Yung
siya.
bangus.
Bangus na lang siguro. It's easier, makapagluto kahit isa. And then, for you guys, what we have for you guys, daing dapat ang gusto ni Andrew pumunta kami sa TNT. Ang sabi ko andito na ang new one, mas malapit. So dito na lang maghanap ng mabibili, diba? O diba may mga Korean sila. Ay, Andrew, I wanna buy calamansi juice. Naka-sale siya, $15. Oh, chicharon, guys. Baka gusto nyong kumain ng chicharon. Think here. Go find here. Did Daddy open that one? That's tuna. I wonder when it's gonna expire, eh? Kasi tingin ko, mag-expire na to, kaya naka-sale. May 17, so it's gonna be done soon. Kinisang bagoong. This one is a good buy. Lingayen. Kuha ko ng isa nito. Masarap to sa mangga. Tsaka pag binagoongang baboy. That's good. Binagoongan baboy. Ito.
You guys, we had
Huh? The
you wanna
what?
tell them about the situation
The situation.
sa bahay.
Usually dito merong ano eh, yung binili. Remember Andrew, we got one time yung cup noodles from Japan eh.
Yeah.
They don't have them anymore. Okay, so nakatapos na kami ni Andrew, no? Andrew galing ng Marshinoon. Pauwi na kami ngayon para magluto na ng hapunan. Currently, it's 4:19. Ganda sa labas. Kaya lang medyo cloudy. Ayun, no? Cloudy. Hindi ko lang alam kung may chance ng shower to. Tapos nito, uwi na. Dito ko natatapusin yung vlog namin ngayon. Say bye, Andrew. Bye! Hi guys! Good afternoon! Time check tayo, 1:07. It's a Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. My goodness. Ang ganda ng panahon sa labas. So pagkagising ko, nag-asikaso, coffee, and then Wendy's daw yung dalawa for their lunch. And then, bili lang tayo ng water mo, no?
Yeah.
And then we go pick up Daddy. Lalabas kami. Samahan nyo kami. Oo nga pala. Meron tayong avid na supporter. Si Angel Send. Hi, Angel Send. Salamat. Thank you for
I
watching.
think it's important that you mention that he's actually your nephew.
And he is my little nephew. From my little brother's, my younger brother's son.
Yeah, he didn't just find her out of nowhere.
No. He's
There's
an
in
avid
fact a
fan. He's an avid fan,
pre-existing
yeah.
connection
Oh,
here.
tsaka shoutout ulit kay Ate Mina. Ate Mina.
That I don't know who that is.
Kasi Ate Mina, well, we know her from a long time ago. It's like a family friend. Nakita namin siya ni Daddy when we were in... oh, well, you were there, when we went to the mall? She was there.
Which mall?
The Ferry Mall. Last time we were there.
Okay.
Oh, look at this guy. My God, she's like he's in a highway. Ito lang tayo ng bili lang tayo ng water ni Alisa and then we'll pick up si
No,
Kuya
I think
Mike.
a very good vlog idea is to put a dash cam on your car and film all the shitty drivers for the plot.
Yeah. Okay, so no, I don't want that. But
Lots of
usually
drama
meron
for
din.
you.
This one doesn't want me to go. It's like he's gonna... There we go. Come on. There's nowhere else to go. Oh my
see,
goodness.
I said drama. Was I wrong? I doubt it.
Okay, so balikan namin kayo after, guys. In a bit.